Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Weight Watchers app subscription. So in terms of iOS devices, first of all, open the App Store. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select subscriptions. Find your active Weight Watchers subscription and tap on it. Then tap on the red cancel button. That's it. So easy, right? The same way for Android devices. Open your Google account. Tap on Manage your Google account. Then click on Payments and Subscriptions. Scroll down and select Manage Subscriptions. Find your active Weight Watchers subscription and tap on it. And then tap the cancel button. And that's it. You are done. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to our channel.